Welcome to our guide on developing a strategic plan. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to create an effective strategic plan for your business. Strategic planning sets the foundation for achieving your long-term goals and drives your organization's success. We'll explore key components like setting clear goals, conducting a SWOT analysis, defining your vision and mission, and more. Each step is designed to provide practical advice and actionable steps tailored for business professionals, entrepreneurs, and managers. Get ready to transform your strategic approach and pave the way for a prosperous future as we dive in and gain a comprehensive understanding of what it means to strategically plan for success. In this segment, we'll explore the foundational concept of strategic planning, what it is and why it's vital for your business's success. Strategic planning is a systematic process where you envision a desired future and translate this vision into broadly defined goals or objectives. Imagine setting a clear path towards a future you aspire for and breaking it down into actionable steps. Why is this so crucial for business success? Strategic planning helps provide direction and focus. It ensures everyone in your organization aligns toward common goals, making it easier to manage resources and measure progress. Without a strategic plan, even the best teams can get off track and deliver inconsistent results. Effective strategic planning involves setting goals, recognizing potential challenges, and crafting responses beforehand. It allows businesses to be proactive, anticipating changes in the market and pivoting when necessary. You'll learn how to create a strategic plan that drives efficiency, growth, and long-term success. Strategic planning isn't just for large corporations, it's essential for businesses of all sizes. Let's move forward and discover how to set clear goals, analyze your strengths and weaknesses, and craft a vision and mission that resonate with your entire organization. The first step in developing your strategic plan is setting clear, well-defined goals. Goals provide direction and purpose, enabling you to focus your efforts and gauge your progress. These goals need to be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals zero in on a particular area for improvement. Measurable goals have criteria to track progress. Achievable goals are realistic and attainable. Relevant goals align with broader objectives, and time-bound goals have a deadline, providing a sense of urgency. Establishing SMART goals is foundational in strategic planning. They give you a target to aim for and a way to measure success, allowing for adjustments along the journey. Without clear and SMART goals, a strategic plan lacks direction and clarity. Up next, we'll dive into conducting a SWOT analysis to further strengthen your strategic plan. Next, let's delve into conducting a SWOT analysis. A crucial step in understanding your business's position. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic tool that helps you identify where your business excels, where it can improve, potential growth opportunities, and external threats that may impact your success. Analyze your strengths by looking at what your business does well, such as unique skills, resources, or advantages over competitors. Weaknesses are internal factors that might hinder your progress, like gaps in expertise or resource limitations. Opportunities are external factors that your business could leverage to achieve growth, such as emerging market trends or changes in technology. Threats are external challenges that could pose risks, such as economic downturns or increased competition. Gather input from different stakeholders within your organization to create a comprehensive list under each of the four categories. Use brainstorming sessions to gather diverse perspectives and ensure no critical points are overlooked. Review your SWOT analysis to identify patterns and connections, providing a solid foundation for making strategic decisions. Now, we'll explore how to define your vision and mission, essential components for directing your strategic plan. Welcome to Step 3, Defining Your Vision and Mission. As pivotal components of your strategic plan, your vision and mission statement set the foundation for your business's direction and purpose. Your vision statement paints a picture of what you want your business to become. It's a forward-thinking declaration that inspires and motivates all stakeholders. Imagine it as the ultimate objective your business strives to achieve, the beacon guiding every decision and action. Your mission statement defines your business's core purpose and primary objectives. It articulates what you do, who you serve, and how you serve them. Think of it as the framework that your strategy and daily operations align with. To craft these statements, start by envisioning where you see your business in the future. What impact do you want to make, and what values drive your goals? This clarity will help you articulate a compelling vision statement. Reflect on your business's unique purpose. What problems do you solve for your customers, and what are your main objectives? Your mission statement should be concise, focusing on your core activities and the value you provide. As we move forward, you'll learn how to develop strategies that align with your vision and mission, ensuring every step you take is purposeful and directed towards your long-term success. Developing strategies is a critical step in achieving your business goals. At this stage, it's essential to create strategies that align with your goals, vision, and mission. The types of strategies you choose can vary widely. From market penetration and product development to diversification and strategic partnerships. To develop effective strategies, begin by thoroughly understanding your business environment and the competitive landscape. Look at both internal capabilities and external opportunities. Focus on creating strategies that are not only ambitious but also actionable and realistic. Each strategy should have clear, defined steps that can be implemented by your team. Consider what resources will be needed and ensure that they are available. Remember, the effectiveness of a strategy lies in its execution. As we move forward, you'll see how to translate these strategies into a detailed action plan. This ensures every aspect is covered, from resource allocation to timelines, making your strategies come to life. Now that we've developed our strategies, it's time to translate them into actionable steps. This is where creating an action plan comes into play. An action plan outlines the specific steps needed to implement your strategies. Think of it as your roadmap, detailing every task required to achieve your goals. First, identify the key components of your action plan. These should include timelines, which set deadlines for each task. Assign clear responsibilities by designating who will handle each step. And don't forget to list the resources required, whether they're financial, human, or technological. To start, break down each strategy into smaller, manageable actions. Specify what's to be done, by whom, and by when. For example, if your strategy involves launching a new product, your action plan might include tasks such as market research, product development, and marketing campaigns. Set realistic but firm deadlines for each task. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps your team on track. Use tools like Gantt charts or project management software to visualize these timelines. Clarify responsibilities. Every team member should know their specific roles and what is expected of them. Clear communication and accountability are key to ensuring tasks are completed efficiently. Ensure you have the necessary resources in place. This includes budget allocations, staff, and any technology needed to support your plan. By creating a detailed action plan, you pave the way for smooth execution of your strategies. Next, we'll discuss how to allocate resources effectively to support your action plan. In Step 6 of developing a strategic plan, we'll focus on allocating resources. Identifying the resources necessary to execute your action plan is crucial for success. These resources can include financial, human, and technological assets. Recognizing what you need is just the beginning. To allocate resources effectively, start by prioritizing the most critical tasks that align with your strategic goals. Assign your financial budget wisely, ensuring adequate funding for key initiatives while maintaining contingency reserves for unexpected expenses. Assess your human resources. Identify the skills and expertise required for each task and assign roles to team members who are best suited to achieve the desired outcomes. Effective communication and collaboration among your team are vital to ensure everyone is on the same page and working toward the same objectives. Evaluate your technological needs. Determine which tools, software, and systems are essential to support your strategy. Investing in the right technology can streamline processes, enhance productivity, and provide a competitive edge. By carefully allocating your resources, you'll set a strong foundation for successful implementation. Next, you'll see how implementing your plan and continuously monitoring progress are key to achieving your strategic goals. Now that you've carefully crafted your action plan and allocated the necessary resources, it's time to bring your strategic plan to life. Begin by methodically following the steps outlined in your action plan. It's crucial to stay organized and keep your team on track with regular check-ins and updates. Monitoring progress isn't just about tracking milestones, it's about ensuring alignment with your overall strategic goals. Set up key performance indicators to measure success and make informed decisions. Identify any deviations early and address them promptly. Encourage open communication among your team members to foster a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. Remember, implementation is not a one-time event but an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and flexibility. Next, we'll see how to review and adjust your plan to keep pace with changing business environments. It's crucial to regularly review your plan to assess its effectiveness. Adjustments are often necessary to stay on track toward your goals. As circumstances change and new data becomes available, maintaining flexibility is key. Begin by setting a routine for these reviews. Monthly or quarterly check-ins can help you stay proactive rather than reactive. During these reviews, examine performance data closely. Is your team meeting its milestones? Are there any emerging trends that could impact your strategy? When adjustments are needed, don't hesitate to make them. This might mean reallocating resources, shifting priorities, or even revisiting your goals. The ability to adapt is a hallmark of successful strategic planning. By regularly assessing and adjusting your plan, you ensure it remains relevant and effective under any circumstances. Next, you'll discover how to address potential obstacles in your strategic planning process, ensuring you have the tools to overcome any challenges that arise. Strategic planning can face obstacles, such as lack of resources, resistance to change, and unforeseen challenges. It's crucial to identify these potential roadblocks early on to ensure your plan remains on track. Common obstacles include insufficient resources, whether financial, human, or technological. Overcoming this requires thorough resource allocation and creative problem solving. Another significant challenge is resistance to change. People may be hesitant to embrace new strategies or workflows. To address this, communicate the benefits clearly and involve them in the planning process. Building a culture of adaptability and continuous improvement can make transitions smoother. Unforeseen challenges, like market changes or unexpected competition, can derail even the most well-thought-out plans. Stay vigilant and flexible, ready to pivot as needed without losing sight of your goals. Embrace a mindset of proactive problem-solving and continuous learning. We'll now see real-life examples of companies that have successfully navigated these challenges, providing valuable insights and strategies you can apply in your own business. Let's delve into a compelling case study of a company that accomplished a remarkable strategic plan. This story illustrates each pivotal step they took and the outstanding results that followed. They started by setting crystal-clear goals, aligning every team member with a unified vision. They meticulously conducted a SWOT analysis, uncovering hidden strengths and identifying areas of improvement. They defined an inspiring vision and a robust mission, which served as their guiding star. Equipped with this clarity, they developed actionable and realistic strategies tailored to their unique challenges. These strategies were then transformed into a detailed action plan, outlining each task, responsible person, and timeframe. The company effectively allocated resources, ensuring every strategic initiative had the necessary support. Implementation was carried out with precision, keeping a close eye on progress through regular monitoring. They didn't stop there. Periodic reviews allowed them to make informed adjustments, maintaining their course amid any unforeseen challenges. What can we learn from this? The key takeaways are the importance of a detailed planning process, persistent monitoring, and the flexibility to adapt. This company's journey proves that with a strategic and systematic approach, achieving monumental success is within reach. Now, you'll see how to translate these insights into your own strategic plans, fortifying your pathway to business success. To recap, the key steps in developing a strategic plan are setting clear goals, conducting a SWOT analysis, defining your vision and mission, developing strategies, creating an action plan, allocating resources, implementing the plan, and reviewing and adjusting. Each step plays a crucial role in ensuring your business stays focused and adaptable. By prioritizing these steps, you're building a robust framework to guide your decisions and actions. Applying these steps can transform your strategic vision into measurable success. Stay with us for some practical tips to enhance your strategic planning process and avoid common pitfalls. Here are some additional tips for effective strategic planning. Involve key stakeholders from the beginning to ensure alignment and buy-in. Communicate your plan clearly and consistently to all team members. Stay flexible and open to adjustments as new information and challenges arise. Continuously monitor your progress against your strategic goals and be prepared to make necessary changes. These steps will help you avoid common pitfalls and pave the way for a successful strategic plan. We'll now wrap up with a comprehensive conclusion on how you can start planning right away and put these tips into action. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on developing a strategic plan. Now is the time to take action and start planning today. With the right strategy, you can set your business on the path to success. We hope you found the tips and steps valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us for more insightful content that can help you achieve your business goals. Your journey towards strategic excellence starts now. Stay connected and keep learning.